About the coronavirus pandemic.
On not touching your face, because one main way viruses spread is when you touch your own mouth, nose.
Coronavirus. 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 Coronavirus.
Well, humans touch their face about 20 times an hour. Of those 20 times, 44 of touching was to the eye, nose and mouth. So I made this. So without any further ado, let's get started. Materials required are Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, a LED. So let's make the circuit diagram for the connections. Now take the ultrasonic sensor and connect with the Arduino with the help of the circuit diagram. Link is in the description down below, or you can see the circuit diagram in the screen. Now take the buzzer and connect to the Arduino with the help of the circuit diagram. Now add the LED to the Arduino Uno. This step is optional. Link is in the description down below for the code, and make sure to measure the length of the face and add the distance to the safety distance in the code, and compile and upload the code to the Arduino Uno. Now take the cap and search for the placement of the Arduino Uno. So I got the perfect placement at the back strap of the hat. Now open the back strap and fix the Arduino to the strap with the help of the rubber bands. Now connect the all wires with the ultrasonic sensor and fix the ultrasonic sensor in front of the cap. You can see how I fixed it. Now take the buzzer and fix it to the above of the Arduino Uno with the help of the double-sided tape. Now you can see that whenever I bring the hand in front of the face, the buzzer activates. So this is Dynamic Innovator. Thanks for watching and signing off.